What is a backlink in SEO? All a backlink is like a vote from a link to your website. It's like an online vote for your website. Now there's different kinds of links, but for the most part they're kind of all the same. There's like comment links. There's like textual links, which are like during content, like a link that provides that's like fitting towards certain text. There's like image links. So there's all types of different links. So basically anything that you would click on that's a hyperlink to another web page or website is a link. So if you know what a link is, a backlink is essentially a link back to your website. So and again, some links are more valuable than others. Contextual links from like a really high authority website that is related to your business would be the highest value link. So for instance, we'll say whos.com, which is like a furniture type of thing. A contextual link from there can provide some good value, or a link from, say you're in the music industry, future producers, forum link there could provide good value for your website. So and and that's pretty much that, guys. And like there's different levels. Again, this is important to realize there's different levels to backlinks. Also, there are no follow links and then do follow links. No follow links and do follow links, honestly, like it gets kind of advanced, and I'll cover that in another video. But um, basically no follow links are links that like don't carry the same amount of value as a do follow link. So do follow links just carry more value. Um, and you kind of want to vary them in a 50-50 type of manner if at all possible, but that's getting really deep into link building. um, but yeah, uh, try to get links from higher authority websites. So just bigger websites equals more value. So links, and it's just, again, it's just like a vote, but like say your vote is from a manager versus like a regular employee. The vote from the manager probably has more value. So that's kind of like that. But at the same time, every vote has some value. Now there's fake votes. Now if you get a fake vote, just like in real life, we call this like black hat SEO or spam links. If you get a fake vote, then it's just not gonna. It's not only is it not gonna carry value, it's gonna work the opposite. Like if somebody knows you're giving fake votes or getting fake votes in like an election, it's gonna ruin your whole campaign. So it's best just to avoid anything free links. Some I can get you 1,000 links. So unless it's done manually, that's a good rule of thumb. Unless it's done totally manually in a legitimate way, then you know just avoid it. And not only should you like not only should does it not work, like I said, it could totally destroy your entire campaign. So but yeah, those are backlinks in SEO. If you guys have any questions, leave in the comment section. This is Nate SEO. Take care.